Talofa and turn your phone screen. It is a beautiful, beautiful morning. Talofa and hello. I'm Victoria, and today I'm going to be sharing what I eat in a day to stay fit and stay fleek. And on fleek is what we are at this point. I am finally at a weight that I would love to maintain. I lost over 50 pounds, and if anyone is on that track, I just want to share what I eat in a day to maintain this weight. I'm not gonna put a number out there because the numbers don't matter. We all carry weight differently. My main goals were to eat more healthy, eat out less, and learn how to cook more. And I would say that I have accomplished all those goals. So if that's something you're interested in, if you're trying to eat more healthy or see what realistically, I don't eat anything fancy every single day, but I do eat pretty healthy. Stay tuned. I got you. I'm gonna help you out. The first thing I start every morning with is some water and some sunlight, some vitamin D. Excuse me, I'm looking rough because I just woke up. But yes, start your morning off with water. Always, 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 you need to drink like hella water. You will probably be seeing a lot of 2 of everything because, of course, Rosie gotta eat. We all gotta eat. So come on with me. Come on, I'm gonna show you. Oh my goodness. Dang. This is a struggle bus right now. This is a struggle. Look at this. Stop! Why you drinking water? So first off, in the morning, we usually start off with some cereal. Rosie eats Fruitful O's, and I usually eat some kind of bran flakes or flax cereal. These cereals are really good because they do not contain any artificial dyes, and both are organic. I get them at natural groceries, but I know they have them at pretty much most health food stores. And another thing, oops, I thought I was gonna eat those and then I decided not to. But one thing I did notice about these cereals is pretty much that you feel energized. You don't feel really like you had a sugar rush or anything like that. I know when I used to eat like Apple Jacks, Fruit Loops, Frosted Flakes, cereals like that, I would always feel kind of nasty and like I had some kind of sugar rush after I ate those. So with these, I feel super energized and just all around great after eating them. I also use almond milk, and I think that is way better, sits way better in my tummy than cow milk. I 100% recommend everyone switching over to some kind of a nut milk because cow milk essentially meets the stomach acid in our stomachs and kind of creates glue. IDK, y'all should look that up, and I'm probably not explaining it the best, but yeah, pretty much it's not good for our tummies. I love the mornings where Lily just kind of chills and plays in her playpen while me and Rosie have breakfast together. Black Santa, she says her grandpa. Anywho, most mornings I will either start with my water, then my coffee, then my cereal, or I'll have water, then cereal, then coffee. I like to switch it up. Today I started with my cereal because, you know, sometimes I don't like to drink coffee on an empty stomach, but sometimes I don't feel like quite eating yet. So yeah, usually most mornings that's my combination that I do. I always look forward to my flax cereal. It is literally so good and so filling. It keeps me nice and full until lunchtime. So 10 out of 10 recommend. I've linked all the cereal and stuff in the description box, and it is an affiliate link. So if you purchase it, I will make some moolah. So go ahead and do that for me. Coffee time? Yes, so I drink my coffee black, and that was mainly to reduce the sugar intake. I used to drink it with like 2 sugars and 2 creamers or something like that. So definitely drinking it black was a huge improvement in cutting back my sugar in the mornings.
OMG. BMW, on my way to you. Good at what I do. I'm OMW. Good at what I do. I'm OMW.
Alright, and for lunch, literally, we got peanut butter con pan y great. Hey, yo, I'm recording, brother. Come on now. I got peanut butter con pan and cinnamon. It's literally peanut butter, bread, cinnamon, and then I'll put a little bit of grapes, a little bit of apples, and I love to put cinnamon on top. I have like a cinnamon obsession, but this has proven to be a great meal for me. I have not noticed any significant weight gain or anything in continuing to eat wheat bread. So I know some people cut out bread completely, but I like bread. I like wheat bread. Yep. Oh my heart. For dinner, we had piata. My mom and Rosie got some macaroni and cheese with some add-ons, grilled chicken, tomato, corn, and all that stuff. I got a wrap with grilled chicken as well. Oh, I love piata. Hi, Mom. Good. After that, we went to Natural Grocers. Daddy balled out for us. I love Natural Grocers. Everything is organic. It is my favorite social outing. I subscribe to their content. 10 out of 10. Love it. Rosie loves it. She's always my little helper when we go in here. Yes, you, baby. Yes, you. Okay, let's go. I got my house shoes on. Alright guys, so that is what I eat in a day on a regular day. And I know that piata was kind of like a spontaneous thing, but instead of going to piata, a big thing that I do is I make wraps at home. So it's pretty close to something that I would usually eat at the house. It's pretty cheap to get wraps. You can use chicken, you can use turkey, you can use any kind of vegetables you want. So I hope y'all enjoyed that little snippet of what I eat in a day. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.